Hi, this is Helena Correll. I'm back again with the Operation Opportunity 2014 Keys to Contract. This is our third year working with the San Diego Supplier Development Council in putting this event together. And what a great success. Look behind me. We have done a tremendous job in putting together, along with the event committee members and event chair, in making this event a great success. In the past, we have worked with the San Diego County Water Authority in putting together the Paths to Partnership event, as well as the Subs for Subs hosted by the CCDC. And we also put together the Navy Gold Coast Conference hosted by the National Defense Industrial Association. San Diego Site Pros work with several nonprofit organizations as well as government agencies in San Diego as well as in any parts of the country. We have help in providing event management services as well as hotel lodging accommodations for groups anywhere in the country. So please visit our website at sandiegositepros.com. Thank you very much, and you have a wonderful day.